Good morning everyone and welcome to Rhythm English. I am Pradosh Sharma with you and you're watching News Flash. ISRO is set to achieve its 100th launch from Sriharikota with the GSLV mission in January 2025. The 99th launch PSLV C-60 successfully placed space docking experiment spacecraft into orbit, marking a significant step in India's space advancements. The Modi government will begin a household survey to identify beneficiaries for 2 crore new houses under Awas Plus 2024. The exercise will run till March 31st, 2025, fulfilling a key BJP election promise. India is offering all possible assistance to Nimisha Priya, a Kerala nurse facing death penalty in Yemen. A pardon from the victim's family is crucial to halting her execution, expected in a month. The Bihar BPSC paper leak controversy intensifies protests, putting CM Nitish Kumar under pressure ahead of state elections. A meeting with BJP leaderships could lead to new announcements on exams. BRS leader KT Rama Rao criticized Rahul Gandhi for visiting Vietnam during national mourning of ex-PM Manmohan Singh, calling it a reflection of Congress core DNA. A China-sponsored cyber attack compromised US Treasury workstations and unclassified documents. Hackers exploited third-party cybersecurity services, prompting a formal notification to lawmakers. US Congressman Sri Thanedar introduced a resolution against Hinduphobia amid growing anti-India rhetoric in the US, highlighting racism and defending skilled workers under the H-1B visa system. Muhammad Yunus interim government in Bangladesh announced plans to draft a proclamation of July uprising after distancing itself from earlier controversial declaration by student movements. The Delhi High Court ruled that UAPA's definitions of terrorist act covers not just immediate action but also preparatory or long-term intentions, emphasizing statute's preventive scope. The Supreme Court postponed its hearing on Punjab's compliance to shift fasting farmer leader Jagjit Singh Dhaliwal to a hospital. The matter will be heard on January 2nd, 2025. Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan condemned Maharashtra Minister Nitesh Rane's mini Pakistan comment, calling it a provocative breach of constitutional values. China's Vice Foreign Minister visited the Indian Embassy in Beijing to mourn former PM Manmohan Singh, reflecting diplomatic respect between the nations. Xi Jinping praised China's strategic ties with Russia during New Year greetings to Vladimir Putin, reiterating cooperative on Taiwan, Ukraine, and countering US influence. Rising gang violence in Trinidad and Tobago led to a state of emergency, empowering law enforcement to act decisively while daily activities and New Year celebrations continue. Quad members India, US, Australia and Japan reiterated their commitment to a free Indo-Pacific on the group's 20th anniversary. India will be hosting the next Quad summit in late 2025. So that's all for the headlines of today. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.